and welcome. I'm Frederick from Dropsolid. At Dropsolid, we believe AI should empower your organization. We have an applied intelligence layer that gives you advanced AI features. We take from you the risk of managing complex AI infrastructure. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works and how it helps you stay sovereign. Let's dive in. Now, let's dive into the Dropsolid AI platform. Before I can elaborate, I need to explain to you what tokens are. This is a text that you see here that has been tokenized. And here the tokens are equivalent to words. We're no strangers to love, and you see each of the words is one token. But the tokenizers that are more used these days with the large language models are similar to this one, where you see that a token contains approximately 4 letters or 1 syllable. Why do I explain this to you? Because the pricing for language models is typically per token, well, not per token, per million tokens. And then you have the input of the model and the output of the model. A language model has a price for the input tokens and a price for the output tokens. At the Dropsolid platform, we provide to you multiple models. So you see here, we can provide Mistral models or Gemini models. We give you the option to choose a number of those. This is not the list, there's many more. We are independent of vendors. So there's a number of providers that we can support. Obviously, it's up to you because some of these, like DeepSeek or others, are biased. So it's up to you to choose the right model for your specific implementation. We want to help you with that, of course, if you are looking for that. In the Dropsolid platform, you can then follow up the budget and the storage that we've used with your AI. Storage and AI, well, this is for the vector database, the memory of the AI, so to say. You also see that there's a grouping in the AI pricing where you see which feature used a specific amount of the budget. We can also have it grouped by AI model. Here you see that the pricing or the used budget is grouped by the models that have consumed the budget. So this makes it possible for you to optimize your budget based on the model choice. We have also a tool to go much more into depth in traceability. I have another video where I go way more into depth, but we provide you the possibility to see traces and the details of a trace, the price of a trace, how much time it took, and really lots of details on your AI. This gives you explainability. This gives you why was a certain thing returned for a certain question, for example. We also provide a number of features for the developers. Here you see that for developers, there's a separate tab in the Dropsolid platform, specifically in our AI product. You see the gateway, which gives you access to the Light LLM gateway, which lets you try out a number of the endpoints that we provide for you. We're working on this as we speak. There's already a bunch of things out there, but you can do the embedding calls, the LLM calls, you can find the model list. All of these things are there, and we're also working on having MCP there as well. You can see how the credentials here. Then for logging and tracing, this shows you the link to the interface that I've just illustrated you, where you see the tracing information, and a vector database is where you get the credentials for your vector databases. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you're interested for more, you can check dropsolid.ai or just contact us and we'll give you a live demo. Looking forward to that.